Okay, good afternoon, all of us. Good afternoon, Father. Thanks for the chance and time given to me. Now, I would like to introduce myself first. My complete name is Christine Juan Natalia. You can call me Nata, and I am from Grade 2C, Indonesian Catholic University of St. Paul Ruteng. Okay, here I would like to give you or tell you some information, description or biography of my favorite public figure in Indonesia. And my favorite public figure is Najwa Shihab because I really like and admire Najwa Shihab. Okay. Najwa Shihab was born in Makassar, South Sulawesi on September 60, 1977. Is an Indonesian actress and also journalist of mixed Bugis and Arabic descent. She is the second daughter of former Minister of Religious Affairs in the Cabinet of Development 7, Kwarai Shihab. In the Cabinet, Kwarai Shihab and niece of a former Minister of Foreign Affairs, Alwi Shihab. Shihab is an alumni of Faculty of Law in 2000. High school she was selected to follow AFS program was implemented by Foundation of Intracultural Development. For 1 year she lived in United States. She started her journalistic career at RCTI in 2001 before joining the recently established Metro TV. In the immediate aftermath of the 2004 tsunami, Shihab was flown to Aceh to file stories. There, she witnessed the destruction caused by the tsunami, alongside the decomposing bodies found all of our streets. Her reports and the interview with the government official raised her profile. She also received an award from the Indonesian Journalists Association for her reports in 2008. Shihab received an Australian Leadership Awards scholarship to study media law at the University of Melbourne. After more than a decade at Metro TV, she quit the news channel in August 2017 and founded a new startup called Narasi TV in 2018. Shihab started hosting her own talk show, Mata Najwa, on Metro TV on November 25, 2009. Najwa some of her guests included former President Habibie and Megawati and etc. She and Mata Najwa returned to television but on a different channel, Trans 7 on January on 10 January 2018. And I really like Najwa Shihab because I think she is the really smart woman. Even she has husband and has a child and a family. I think Najwa Shihab is a really good or a smart girl. In October 2000, in October, Shihab was reported depoliticized by Unity Jokowi Volunteers chairperson Sylvia Dewi Sumbarto for stunt interviewing an empty guest chair where Minister of Health Terawan Agus Putranto was supposed to fill on September 98, 2020 by edition of Mata Najwa. Through her Instagram account, Shihab started her interview was intentional so that public officials, especially Terawan, who has been missing in action, will explain their policies in handling the COVID-19 pandemic. Najwa is one example of the best and smart woman with a myriad of or achievements that her willingness and responsibility in doing something. We can take imitations. For now, Najwa Shihab is an Indonesian reading ambassador and is given the task to invite children in Indonesia to read more often. Okay, I think that's all for the description or biography of my favorite public figure, named Najwa Shihab. Okay, I think that's all and thank you.